Stop ignoring your own needs. You show up for everyone. But when do you show up for yourself? Think about it, my friends. You give your time, your energy, your attention, but you rarely stop to check in with yourself. Am I lying? Let me know. Over time, that catches up to you. You feel drained, my friend, unappreciated, even frustrated sometimes. Not because you are doing too much, but because you are doing it without a balance. And balance in everything is very important. Taking care of yourself is not something extra. Believe me, it is necessary. And I mean always necessary. Taking good care of yourself. You can't keep pouring from an empty place. It needs to be refilled. Something needs to keep coming in for you to give it out. Guess what? Start paying attention to what you need. Rest, my friend. Peace and space. Give yourself the same energy you give to others. You deserve it. And it is very reasonable that the same treatment you give to others, you yourself deserve that. Think about it, my friend. Am I lying? So guess what? Moving forward, don't forget yourself, because it is all about you. Yes, you, my friend, it's all about you. While trying to be there for everyone else, remember yourself. Question: have you been neglecting yourself lately? Please comment in the comment section. Myself.